Learning with Veenal Sharma. Hello kids, let's learn U letter words. Letter U phonic sound is A. So kids, let's learn some U letter words. U A umbrella. U A uniform. U A uncle. U A UFO. U A utensils. U A up. U A Uranus. U A umpire. U A on. U A under. U A underground. U A us. U A unicycle. U A unicorn. U A unhappy. U A upset. U A U-turn. U A undergarment. U A university. U A UKG. U A upload. U A use. U A universe. U A unique. U A ugly. U A uppercase. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.